Okay, we're going to open up and try out this Flame Aroma Diffuser. This is by Diffuser Love. So I'm very curious to what this will be like, what setup will be. So we open it up. It is just a nice size, so small enough to not take up a lot of room. Get it out of the packaging here. So you're going to have, it looks like two parts. You've got the lid and then the inside where your water is going to go. And then on the back is where it's going to plug in. And then we have our user manual here and then the plug-in. So we're going to read on how we need to use this. So it's going to show you down here you can turn on the light and the mist. You can have it go for 30 seconds, and then you also have like a 2-hour or 4-hour timer on here. And let's get this set up. All right, so I just have this set up bedside here. I have it plugged in. We're going to remove it. We're going to put some water in here. And we're going to put some essential oils in. So I just have a little bit of oil. You can see here that's the max line for the water. So I'm just going to add a couple of drops in here. And then we will put the lid back on. And turn the mister on. So you can tell how cool that looks. It kind of looks like flames coming out of there. But it's really not. It's just the water diffusing out of there. And then you can change the light to make it look like a cool mist coming out of there, or no light at all if you just want it to diffuse. And then again, you can set for a 30-second timer, or you can set your 2-hour timer or 4-hour timer for it to run. So very easy setup. Just plugs in. I just have it plugged into a cord over here, and I just think that's so cool how it looks. Like it's not hot, but it just appears to be. And then I also like that you can change it to a light, or if you want to use it at nighttime and you don't like any light at all, you can turn the light completely off and set that timer, and it will run for as long as you have it on there. So I love diffusing in my house. I even like to diffuse in my classroom, and I think this is a really cool, great choice to use.